Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add ads to your YouTube videos so you could monetize your YouTube videos. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log on to YouTube, obviously. Go over to your profile picture, click on it, and then go under your YouTube Studios. Once you're here, click on Videos. Okay, so in order to add additional ads to your videos, it has to be over 10 minutes. So as you can see, I just uploaded this video. We're gonna click on the title. Now that you're under the video that you want to monetize, go under the monetization tab. And as you can see, I already have ads on this video. Now I'm gonna tick the mark video ads after video. So I'm gonna mark that and then hit save. Okay, after I've done that, I'm gonna go under the editor tab. And under this section, you could actually add as many ads as you would like. I mean, I wouldn't recommend adding an ad like every few minutes or anything like that, but maybe like every 5 minutes you could put one. So under this section right here, click on expand. And as you can see, you could insert an ad break. It looks like by default, YouTube put an additional ad in the middle of the video. So you could just click on add ad break. So after you click on add ad break, you'll see that an additional ad is on the timeline. So if you want to add it towards like the end of the video, you could feel free to do so. So right at the 10-minute mark is when it'll play an additional ad in addition to an ad playing in the middle of the video. However, if you want to actually go into your video and strategically place an ad where there's like a break for an ad, then that'll probably work better in terms of people watching your video and watching your ads. Right there is when I change scenes. So I'm going to insert the ad in this portion of the video just so that it plays and transitions nicely into the new stage. As you can see, I'm in the garage here, and after the ad plays, I'm in my basement. So works out perfectly there. And then again here, the scene changes around the 7-minute mark. So I'm going to insert that last ad right as the scene is changing. So let's see here, these 2 frames there. You could also zoom in a little closer to make sure you're inserting the ad in the proper place. So after I'm happy with where I'm seeing the timestamp, we're going to drag the ad over. So as you can see, it's going to play, and then it's going to hit the ad right here and then transitions into the next scene. So that's how I would recommend putting ads onto your videos if you're going to do so. Now, in order to monetize your channel, you're going to have 1,000 subscribers in addition to 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel. So let me show you how to check to see if you could monetize your YouTube channel. Be sure to save after you've inserted ads onto your videos. Okay, so I'm on my second channel that I'm trying to get monetized. So let me show you guys how to check to see if you guys could monetize your channel. So again, click on your profile picture, YouTube Studios, and under the other features tab, scroll down and you'll see monetization. Click on that, and here you will see the status of your channel and how much watch time and subscribers you need to monetize your channel. As you can see, I have 571 watch hours within the last 12 months. I need 4,000 watch hours, and I have 2,700 subscribers. So I've met the subscriber mark. As soon as I hit the watch time, needed, I could monetize my channel. So if this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like. If you guys would like to see more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.